Okay, good afternoon guys. Today I'm gonna make cucumber apple salad. So these are all the ingredients. We need 1 cucumber, I already washed and eat, and then 1 apple, and then 3 tomatoes, and then 1 red onion. I have not so much red onion. I have only a little, so I just put a little, and the rest are white onions. And then 3 large boiled eggs. And then the dressing are 1/4 cup mayonnaise, and then a squeeze of 3 lemon, so lemon juice, and then salt and pepper, and then the 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder and 1 teaspoon sugar. Okay guys, we're gonna get the seeds. Okay. And slice like this. Okay guys, so now we're gonna slice like this. Okay. We're gonna put it here. Okay, we're gonna get this one. Okay, and this one. Okay guys, we're gonna put it here. Okay guys, so the apple is done. Next is then this one also, we're gonna get the seeds guys. put it there. I'm gonna put it here also. Okay, and then the lemon juice, and then the black pepper and salt, and then the sugar and the garlic powder. Okay, so we're gonna mix it. Our onions, apple, cucumber, and then the tomatoes. We're gonna add the dressing, okay? Let's toss it, mix it all together. Look at that one, guys. It's super yummy and healthy. And now we're gonna add the hard-boiled eggs. So that's our cucumber apple salad, guys. So that's our cucumber apple salad. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit here. Okay, huh? That's our cucumber apple salad. Guys, cucumber apple salad. It's yummy. It's very refreshing, guys. And it's good for the body. Our cucumber apple salad is done and it's super yummy. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow for another recipe and thank you for watching.